Hi guys. One of your options for this project is to make a website for your final product. So today I'm going to tell you how to use the website Strikingly to build your own website. So this is, you can see it's strikingly.com. You'll need to set up an account. Obviously you want to go with the free version, right? You don't need the paid. And you'll need to log in. So what the screen that you see right now is me after I've logged in. So you will log in first and you should get a screen similar to this. You won't have these guys, right, because those are my websites, but you should see something similar. And when you're ready to start making your website, you're going to hit this big old create new website. And it's going to take you to the steps, right? So the first thing is to select a template. And what you can see is there's all kinds of options. If you're just on all, you can kind of scroll through, and kind of check out what the options are. So what you'll want to do is look at that that product rubric. Make sure you're looking at all these requirements as you pick a format so you can get all the requirements in. What you can do is you can view their example to kind of see what pieces are already there on their website and kind of pick something where maybe you don't have to change as much. But you'll find one that you want to do. So let's say you pick this one, right? You'll go ahead and click Start Editing. And then what it's going to do is it's going to let you start to make that website your own. So you're going to see this editing bar over here. Along the sides are each of their little headings that they have, right? You can see you can add a new section. So if there's not enough for what you want, you can add in more. You can rename these, right? So instead of features, you might rename this for, symptoms, for example. And you click this little check, and now it's going to be labeled as symptoms. And you can change things like the layout. So there's usually 3 layouts. And this is loading kind of slow, but you can kind of scroll and see the different layouts for each. You can pick whichever one, and then everything can be edited, right? So you can edit the background. You can pick an image, you can upload one, you can leave it just the background as it is. You can edit out these images. You can add in a title. So maybe you're going to say, Marfan syndrome, whatever you want your titles to be, and you'll just kind of go. And what you'll see is it saves automatically, but you can also click Save Now and exit the editor whenever you need to. So you will, again, just be going through, and you're going to switch out their information to put in yours. And this stuff can be dragged. You can move stuff. You can delete it. So maybe you only want one of these little guys. You can come over here and delete this one. So there's all kinds of flexibility to edit. And again, it's going to save automatically. But when you are ready to preview, you can look at what your site is going to look like. Right? You are able to, over here, publish it. So you don't want to do this until the very end, right? And then you'll go ahead and click Save Now whenever you're done, exit the editor. So whenever you log in, you are going to see it right here as an unpublished site, and you'll be able to go in and edit it. So you are going to have to play around with it a little bit, but it is pretty self-explanatory, right? Click and edit from there. So let me know if you have any questions, play around a little bit, and hopefully it works pretty well for you. Thanks, guys.